Greetings and welcome to our anti-breakage length retention care kit. Let me tell you why this is so needed in your life, especially if you're wanting thickness and if you're wanting hair growth. What you need to be practicing in your hair journey or routine is de-shedding and de-breaking. De-shedding is when you are using practices that prevent or reduce the amount of hair that you're shedding. And then de-breaking is being involved in practices on your journey that reduce the likelihood of your hair breaking. This system or kit does just that. A lot of times when we wear protective styles, we think that we are not supposed to do anything, and that couldn't be further from the truth. We don't shampoo, so we're going 2-3 months without even shampooing our scalp. That's so dangerous. This is why the follicle detox is very important, because this is going to remove all of the buildup, all of the debris out of your follicle so that it doesn't get inflamed. When your hair follicle is inflamed, it weakens the integrity of that follicle and its ability to be able to hold on to the hair strand. Remember, the key to thickness and growth is de-shedding. So you want to do everything that you can within your power to hold on to the hair strand. You don't want it to prematurely fall out. Okay. The magical thing about our follicle detox is that it has a lot of B vitamins in it. And if you don't know what B vitamins are, they give you a lot of energy. So this is going to work beneath the surface and increase the flow of nutrients to your follicle's root. That is highly important for optimum hair growth. Okay. Then during your protective styles, whether you have braids, wigs, crochets, whatever it is, you want to make sure that you're using a water mister. Water is where you get your moisture from. Okay. A lot of people think you get your moisture from oil. That's not true. Oil helps delay the evaporation process of the water. So the longer your hair is able to retain water, the longer you will be able to have moisturized hair. If your hair is moisturized, that's going to reduce the likelihood of it breaking. And so that's the practice that you need to have on a day-to-day. You just pour this oil into your water mister, or a nice amount, and you just mist your hair every day, every couple of days, or even every 3 days. It doesn't matter, as long as you're getting this water and our hair growth moisture retention oil onto your hair. The beautiful thing about this oil is that it's going to give you a really good synergy, a really good balance of moisture and also strength, because that is just as equally as important. It has olive oil, carrot oil, argan oil, grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil. It smells delicious. Okay, so it's going to give you moisture, it's going to give you shine, it's going to give you strength, and it smells good. Priceless. Okay, the last thing is our Alakazam Anti-Breakage Detangling Potion. Okay, everyone knows that when you are detangling your hair, you need to have this detangling potion. For some reason, when we are removing our braids, removing our sew-ins, removing our crochets, our locks, whatever protective style that we have, we're removing it dry. That is the worst thing that you can do, because more than likely you didn't shampoo during that time. So you didn't get or retain any moisture during that time. So as you're combing through your hair is just popping and breaking. But remember, we said that in order to maintain thickness and length, you have to de-break. So you have to use this potion because it's going to soften up your hair, pre-treat your hair. It's going to create a lot of slip, so the comb and your fingers are gliding through your hair strands, reducing the likelihood of you breaking, so that you can retain all of your hair that you grew in your protective style, because your hair is growing. It's just that we're pulling and yanking it out when we take our protective styles out. And so the purpose of this kit is to avoid all of that and get you to the hair growth in inches you want.